equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the battery and charger on your Dyson SV11 vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your Dyson SV11 is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by removing the dust canister. Press the release button located on the top of the canister and pull it away from the main body of the vacuum. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery cover on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws, so ensure you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Now, you will see the battery. To remove it, simply disconnect the battery connector by pulling it away from the main unit. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and push it firmly into place. Ensure it's secure before proceeding. Before replacing the battery cover, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with a soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, so a quick clean can make a significant difference. Once you've cleaned the area, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is snug and there are no gaps. Now, let's move on to the charger. If you've noticed that your charger isn't functioning properly, it might be time for a replacement. To do this, simply unplug the old charger from the wall and the vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Connect the new charger to the vacuum and plug it into a power outlet. Ensure that the indicator light on the charger is lit, which indicates that it's charging correctly. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body and pressing it back into place until you hear a click. Your Dyson SV11 is now ready to use with a new battery and charger. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.